Good evening and welcome to Willard School's Open House. My name is Megan Soroyce and I'm the principal. We are happy that you can join us. I want to begin by thanking you. In August, for the first time since March 2020, we welcomed all 434 students back to in-person learning at Willard School. Your support, patience, and flexibility have resulted in a successful start to the new school year and are much appreciated. We value your partnership and recognize the important role that the homeschool connection plays in providing a successful educational experience for your child. Willard School has a strong, supportive learning community, and there has been no greater testament to our collective success and strength as a school community than what we have experienced the last couple of years. Tonight, you will have the opportunity to meet members of our talented and dedicated staff, including your child's teacher. You will hear about grade level expectations and our collaborative efforts to provide a standards-based curriculum for our students ranging from pre-K to grade 5. Through a shared commitment to student achievement, our professional community is committed to student success and embraces each child as an individual with diverse capabilities. We strive to encourage students to achieve their highest potential and become reflective, self-directed learners. At Willard School, we take great pride in our community and work collaboratively to provide learning experiences that are motivating, engaging, meaningful, and authentic. Ultimately, our goal is for students to employ their unique talents with a sense of purpose, to discover what they are most passionate about, and to foster a sense of pride in their accomplishments. Willard Pride is how we teach character education. Together, we work to develop kind, safe, responsible, and respectful students. We help them to understand the important role each individual plays in building a positive school community. Responsive classroom is just one of the approaches we use to address the social emotional needs of our students and foster a nurturing and supportive classroom environment. Now here is Jonna Cunningham, Willard's new lead teacher.
Thank you, Megan. As the year continues, there will be opportunities for you to participate in your child's education. We hope you embrace these opportunities and remain an active member of our school community. One way that you can support our school community is by joining the PTO. The Willard PTO supports all of our students and staff in a variety of ways. This summer, they purchased the supplies for the playground stencils to create a fun and engaging area for our students. They also purchase books for students in classrooms, support teachers with purchasing supplies, pay for field trips, and provide programs for students. Please consider joining our PTO. A membership form was recently sent home along with information about the first fundraiser. On Sunday, September 26th, there will be a 5K and fun run. There is also a Cherry Dale fundraiser taking place at this time. The first Willard PTO meeting of this year is scheduled for Tuesday, September 14th at 6:30 p.m. in the school library. This will be a great time to meet some of our staff members, hear about what is taking place, find out more about the many ways the PTO supports our students and staff, and share your ideas. For more information, visit the Willard School website and click on PTO at the top. In the cafeteria, more information on the PTO, Cub Scouts, and YMCA before and after care is available. Berlin Fair wristbands are for sale there as well. Back to you, Megan.
If you are looking to learn more about Willard School, there are many places you can find information. The Family Handbook is online. Please take a look. You can visit our website at willardelementaryschool.org, or you can visit us on Twitter at Willard_school. Finally, communication is the key to success. At any time throughout the year, please feel free to contact us with questions you may have. We will be happy to help in any way we can to ensure that your child has a successful school year. We are looking forward to working together with you to make it a wonderful year. Thank you for wearing your masks. Please remember to social distance and enjoy your visit. Thank you.